Start. Hare Krishna, my dear children. Happy Diwali to all of you. And I am speaking to all of you from Hampi on the banks of Tungabhadra river. Just behind me, you can see Navavrindavana, the Samadhi place of the 9 great saints, starting from Padmanabha Tirtha in the Madhva Sampradaya. And why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because of happiness. Because a demon called Narakasura was killed. Very interesting to note, the demon was the son of Krishna himself. When Krishna appeared as Varaha avatar and he lifted the earth, at that time earth is Bhulakshmi, and he impregnated the earth, and as a result a son was born. But he became Narakasura, he became a demon. Why he became a demon? Though he is son of Krishna, though he is son of Lakshmi herself, Bhulakshmi herself, because of bad association. You may be belonging to a very good family, but what destroys you, what takes you and makes you a demon is your association. Prahlad's father was Hiranyakashipu, a big demon, but because of association of Narada, he became a great saint. Till now, today we talk about Prahlad Maharaj. He has become an idol for all of us. Wherever good qualities have been described, if you don't talk about Prahlad, then those good qualities are no good qualities. Whenever you have to measure any good qualities in a person, you have to give the example of Prahlad. He was born as in the demoniac family, but still became a great devotee and a saint and a great personality. On the other hand, you have Narakasura, who was son of Krishna himself, son of God himself, son of Lakshmi herself, but still because of bad association, he became such a demoniac person. He kidnapped the daughters, the young daughters of big kings, rishis, the devatas, and he captivated them, and he made them forcibly accept him as the, trying to forcibly accept, he made them to accept him as the husband. They were all in distress, and Krishna cannot tolerate his devotees being in distress. So Krishna took Satyabhama along with him. Because at that time when Narakasura was born, his name was actually Bhauma. Then he became Bhaumasura. She took a vow. She asked Krishna, Bhauma Devi, the goddess of earth, she asked, don't kill my son unless I give my permission. So Krishna took Satyabhama along with him to fight with Narakasura. There is a huge fort which was guarded with the gold, iron and silver walls. At that time there was a big demon called Mura. He had 5 heads. And this Mura demon, he came to fight with Krishna, and Krishna is all powerful personality. He just took his arrow and then shot at Mura. And the trident of Mura, it broke into 3 parts. And then he shot an arrow and then killed the demon Mura, who was very powerful. Then Bhaumasura himself came to fight. After Krishna destroyed the different walls which are guarding the palace of Mura. Krishna is all powerful personality of Godhead. No power in this world can stop him. When he saw his devotees have been captivated and they were in so much in trouble, so much in distress, Krishna cannot tolerate. Though Bhaumasura, Narakasura, is his own son, for the sake of devotees, Krishna is willing to kill his own son. That is why Krishna is impartial. Sometimes people say Krishna is partial. Why he supports the demons, the demigods, and he kills the demons? Why is it that Krishna seemingly does partial activities? That he supported the Pandavas and he defeated the Kauravas. But actually Krishna is impartial. This is a perfect example that Krishna loves his devotees. Even though Krishna's son himself, Narakasura, he did not spare him if he does something wrong. So Krishna, as a perfect personality of Godhead, he proved to the entire world that one should be neutral in giving judgment. Such divine qualities are present in the Supreme Lord. He loves his devotees, and when it comes to the demons, he gives a proper answer to them by destroying them. Even though Krishna destroys demons, they are actually delivered by him. That is the speciality of Krishna. So Krishna, he loves his devotees more than his own so-called family members. Actually, if you in one sense, if you see, both Arjuna, the Pandavas and Kauravas, both were actually relatives of Krishna. But Krishna always supports the righteous person. Now at present, Navaratri is going on. Now Diwali is going to come in the next month. Now this is the time we contemplate on ourselves how many good qualities we have and pray to Krishna and get the divine power to destroy all the demonic qualities, the Narakasura within us. Actually, everyone is a very good person. The problem is with association, the bad association. So I request every child who is listening to this, don't be Narakasura. You are a good child, but the problem is the bad association. Once some devotees asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please tell us, give one instruction to us, what we should do. We are all Vaishnavas, we are all devotees of you. What is one instruction which you would like to give us? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that Asat Sangatyaga Yai Vaishnavachar. A good person is because you are a good friend. You are a good person because you are a good friend. You are a bad person because you are a bad friend. In English there is a saying, you tell me who is your friend, I'll tell you who you are. So my dear children, I request all of you, during the time of Navaratri, it's a very important choice you make. Who is your friend? Just because you like somebody, that doesn't mean he's your friend or she's your friend. Just because you both have same desires, that doesn't mean you both are friends. Just because you have a common enemy, that doesn't make you your friend. Just because he's of some use, she's of some use to you, that doesn't mean your friend. Friend in Sanskrit means mitra. Mitam trayati iti mitraha. One who delivers you from all kinds of limitedness. Our limited vision. Aham mama iti ajnanaha. Our limited vision is what? Aham, I am somebody, I am engineer, I am doctor, I am this body. Ajnanaha, mama, this is mine. So avoid bad association and come and associate with good people, devotees, who will deliver you from all limited vision. Hare Krishna.